Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder with Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic here that happened over the weekend was the price finally did get the break of that 11,400 mark, which on my chart is denoted by the red line, and made a fantastic move to the upside. The problem is that came to a screeching halt, and the price just went absolutely bonkers to the downside. But to give some credit where credit's due, the price has since recovered, and a little case of deja vu once again is flirting and doing battle right with that red line. Now, the last video I did was back on Friday, and like I said, for me, a total case of deja vu, because last video I did, I was talking about it. Okay, well, it's at this key level of resistance. Can it break? And now all of a sudden the dust has settled after a wild weekend, and well, we're right back there again. So the price is once again knocking at this 11,400 mark, which brings about the first question you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question one, nothing fancy, just simply where's the price at relative to 11,400? And after this, just let gut instincts take over. Meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is up above 11,400, at that point, okay, well, how far up above it? And the further the price is up above 11,400, whenever you're watching this video, the just more bullish the situation actually is. Now, the one level to keep an eye on would be this area up here at 12,000. I mean, if you're saying not only, Clay, is the price up above 11,400, but it's also up above 12,000, well, that would imply that the breakout has been extremely powerful, as it's not only gotten above 11,400, but has now broken up above these highs where it struggled with over the weekend. So those are the two main areas of resistance. As far as areas of support are concerned, so maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually still down below 11,400. First question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 50-period moving average. That value is right around 11,000. But if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 11,000, then the next immediate question would be, okay, well, fine, where's the price at relative to 10,400, which is the value of that green line? And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 10,400, I mean, I'm not going to say that the entire chart's destroyed, but that would certainly be a relatively big red flag that maybe something's, there's a kink in the armor of the bulls. But as of right now, wild weekend, prices once again doing battle with 11,400. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.